the day is the day. Today I am attending a lace frontal wig class today in Chapel Hill. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I know I look a mess, but that's okay. I'm about to beat my face real quick, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Let's go. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Y'all, look at my hair. These braids kind of old, but it's okay. This is my little outfit. It's raining today. I'm not gonna do too much. And yeah. Okay, I got some light makeup. Hope this looks so good on camera. So now I'm ready. I'm about to be late. But I'm ready. Bye, y'all. See y'all in the car. Hey y'all, I just arrived and we started a little bit late, but that's okay. So this is my girl Ashley. She has her own business, or her own hair business. She sells hair, and also she does installs, wigs, and all that good stuff. Her name on Instagram is Lace Assassin on IG. Again, Lace Assassin on IG. She is the bomb.com. She walked us through this install so professionally and just so gracefully, and you know what, I was so grateful for all the information that she gave us. She was very informative, very on point, and of course, look how cute she looked. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna let y'all get into the video, and yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and of course, show this to one of your friends. So bye. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you what you want? Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you what you want? And shout out to Ashley Mama for hooking us up with that food, because it was good.
Take took your risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in his hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around. I'm studying more and more. I didn't think the end would be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer time without? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. If you really care for me, just make sure you're there for me. Feel I'm falling in too deep. That's okay, just rescue me. Let me know what you want from me. Open up, let me in and see. Boy, I know where I wanna be. Just wanna know what your loving means. Wake me up and let me go. You know I wanna be around. I'm studying more and more. My heart is in my head. So I can see I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Step on a drown. I need to hear it from you. Can we no longer time without? Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Don't let me down, don't let me down, let me down. Hurt me, yeah. Don't fuck me up.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. Trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of a wink if you was holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. On the wall, I leave my favorite. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Oh.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend.
That was, oh my god, the music. Forgot. Hey guys, I just came back from the wig install class and I got some food. Good old Bojangles. Now I'm heading back to the house. Come on, light, come back, come back. I don't know, but yeah, I'm feeding my face. I had such a good time. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and yeah, bye.